Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of line up. Here we go to settings as you see and we click. Here we will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here we search about the application of line and you click here on for stop. Then we click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your work.